Welcome back to Add Art. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw Jack Frost and teach you a few things about him. Now, before I do, just a quick reminder to subscribe to Add Art and hit the bell. When you do, you'll be the first to know when I've released new drawings like these. But wrap up warm because this drawing might get a bit chilly. We'll start with Jack Frost's eye. Put a pupil in. We'll give him a pointy nose like it's made of ice. Have some icicles dripping off the bottom there. Put his other eye in. A second pupil. We'll give him some shards of ice for eyebrows. Let's put his hair in and again make this really icy and spiky. Some more icicles dripping off the bottom there. We'll bring the hair spiking out towards the back. And down towards the beard. Now I'm making him look like ice because Jack Frost is thought to be responsible for bringing winter cold and frost and ice and sleet and snow. So I thought it would be good to make him made of those things. Put his smile in. We'll have him prancing across a garden, leaving an icy trail. So we'll put his arm out here. Give him some icicles for fingers. Make the underside of his arm quite spiky. Back in. We'll have his back leg just kind of curving round here up to his foot. Again, make that a point and have some icicles stretching off it. Just fill his body in here. And we'll come up and put his other arm in. His fingers stretching up as though he's dusting the land with frost. Shards of jagged ice sticking out from it. Okay, let's bring his body down here. Give him some spiky buttons. Bring the other leg around. And down to an almost ballerina's point. Have those icicles pointing down again. Now some people call him Old Man Winter, but our Jack today looks a bit more sprightly. Bouncing around the garden, leaving this magical trail of frost behind him. We'll put it in the garden here. We'll just stop, put that behind his foot and continue it. Let's put some more frost being scattered. Put a shadow in. We'll put a fence in the distance here. We'll just do the top of the fence first, so put the spikes in. So I'm just going up and down. I'll do that all the way across. Now, whatever you might call him, you can tell if he's been around because of all the icy patterns he leaves on these plants, like these bushes. And sometimes, if you look at your windows, you can see these really intricate patterns that are frozen onto them. Let's put another bush in here. and it's thought Jack Frost originated from Anglo-Saxon and Norse traditional customs. We'll have some of this frost settling on the ground. Okay, let's finish these panels at the back, bringing the lines all the way down for each individual fence panel. And apparently in Russia, he's known as Grandfather Frost. And it was in the 19th century that he started to be depicted like this sprite-like character and went round causing a bit of mischief, nipping fingers and toes. Okay, let's put a moon in, put a crescent moon there. Put some tufts of grass. Often when it's a frosty morning you'll see these frozen solid just sticking up. So we'll put some of those in. Let's add a little more frost, make it a particularly frosty morning. And there we have it, Jack leaving a sprinkling of frost all across a winter garden. I hope you've enjoyed drawing along with that one today. Now, before I go, just a quick reminder to check out all my other tutorials like these on my Add Art channel. You can do this by clicking on my double pencil profile picture. Also, if you've enjoyed drawing along with me today, do give this video a thumbs up as it really helps my channel grow. Finally, if you know someone who'd also love Add Art, then please share the channel with them. But that's it for today, and I hope to draw along with you again soon. Bye for now.